understanding the shift in property insurance standards. In the ever-evolving world of property insurance, we at White Oak Insurance Services have witnessed a notable trend: tightening underwriting standards across homeowners and landlord policies. This strategic move by insurance carriers is a direct response to mitigate losses in the property insurance sector. Such changes are most evident in criteria like roof age, roof condition, and prior claims history. This video aims to shed light on these new evaluations by carriers and the resulting market challenges, and to guide you in making informed decisions for your property insurance needs. A glimpse into the market's current state. Property and casualty insurance companies have faced a barrage of claims and escalating costs of repairs and replacements in recent years. The Independent Insurance Agents of Georgia, Inc., our state's insurance agent association, reports that in 2022, Georgia's homeowner insurance carriers experienced loss ratios of 106%. This figure indicates that the payouts exceeded the total premiums collected, a trend fueled by rampant inflation, an uptick in severe weather events, and ongoing supply chain disruptions. This pattern is not fleeting. Similar loss ratios were reported in 2021, and projections suggest a continuation into 2023. Insurance carriers are countering these financial pressures by increasing premium costs, though the Georgia Insurance Commissioner regulates such increments to avoid excessive yearly hikes. Consequently, a full recovery to profitability for these companies may not manifest until the latter part of 2025. An alternative approach to balance the books is the refinement of underwriting standards, particularly for claims related to wind and hail roof damage. Key adjustments to underwriting guidelines. Age of roof. Carriers are now setting caps on the age of roofs they are willing to cover. Once commonplace to insure roofs up to 20 years, we now observe a shift towards a 10-year limit, with some insurers drawing the line at just 5 years. Accompanying these age restrictions are changes in payout terms, transitioning from replacement cost value to actual cash value as the age of the roof, which could significantly increase out-of-pocket costs for homeowners if major repairs are needed. Roof condition. The condition of your roof has never been under more scrutiny, with insurance carriers employing advanced tools for property assessment, from satellite imagery to drive-by inspections. Even the slightest pre-existing damages or risk factors like overhanging branches can lead to policy cancellation post-issuance. Claim history. A homeowner's claim history is now a critical determinant in coverage eligibility. A track record of prior claims can result in higher premiums or difficulty securing a new policy, reflecting the industry's heightened risk aversion. Your proactive blueprint. Despite these stricter standards, there are proactive measures you can take. Evaluate the roof's age and condition before purchasing a property. Address any concerns beforehand to ensure your investment remains insurable. Maintain your property diligently. Upkeep is now more crucial than ever, as carriers reassess policies at renewal based on the property's current state. Consider the necessity of each claim. For minor issues, it may be more economical to manage out-of-pocket repairs rather than face elevated premiums for years. Conduct regular property checks. Address any potential hazards that could lead to claims, thus reducing your overall risk profile. Start the insurance shopping process early. By comparing rates in advance, you equip yourself with vital information and leverage for negotiations. Our commitment to you. At White Oak Insurance Services, we're committed to staying abreast of market trends and underwriting changes to present you with the best insurance options. Our mission is to educate and guide you through securing comprehensive coverage for your home or investment properties, ensuring you're well-informed and well-prepared for the future. We are here to answer your questions and assist you in safeguarding your most valuable assets. Our portfolio extends beyond home and auto insurance to encompass various coverage options suited to your unique needs. Connect with us. For personalized assistance and to explore your insurance options, contact our team. We're here to provide the support and expertise you deserve.